I've got 4 reasons why this exercise is superior to most others and why you need to try it again. The exercise I'm talking about is jump rope. Common jump rope misconceptions include thinking it's too hard, that you're not coordinated enough, or that it's too high impact. All these reasons are wrong. The truth is, anyone can learn to jump rope. It's a skill that you develop like dribbling a basketball. While there is a learning curve, regardless of your athletic ability, you are more than capable of learning the basic level of jump rope, and likely a lot more. In fact, this is a key feature that keeps people coming back to jump rope. Seeing and feeling progress can be addicting, making you excited to do it again. And just like back at recess when you were a kid, it doesn't feel like a workout because as you're learning, you're having fun. The best part, it doesn't break the bank. Traditional cardio equipment like treadmills, bikes, and ellipticals can cost hundreds and even thousands of dollars. And let's be honest, they aren't very exciting to use. They take up a lot of space and often become clothes racks and a place to dry towels. A good jump rope, and yes, the jump rope you choose can make a huge difference in your experience. Start out at as little as $20 to $25. The best part is you can take it anywhere. Your garage, if you have space in the house, a back porch, a park, on vacation, or anywhere else you can think of. Being stuck to one specific room doing the same exact thing over and over can definitely kill your excitement for fitness and doesn't need to happen. That's all great, but how effective is jump rope? First, you need to know that nutrition is king. It's true that you can't out-train a bad diet. Trust me, I've tried. But that doesn't change the importance of exercise. Studies have shown that the jump rope burns more calories than most other forms of cardio in less time. Here's a chart showing how it compares to other top exercises with calories burned per hour. Not only is it cheaper, portable, and possible for anybody to learn, it's also more effective for weight loss. Combine it with the fact that it's fun with tons of progression, you will enjoy it more and therefore do it more often. It's a no-brainer. Of course, you need to factor in learning at the beginning, but we can tackle that together so you don't end up spinning your wheels in frustration. Now let's talk about my favorite feature of the jump rope. It's not just cardio. If you're like me, regular cardio bores me to death. Whether it's traditional stationary cardio or going for a jog, the burn sets in and all I can ever think about is how much I don't want to be doing it. All right, we're just gonna do 20 minutes. You can power through this. You don't want to do it. Let's go. Oh my gosh, we gotta almost be there. Where are we at? What? You gotta be kidding me. Talk about misery. Plus, fitness can be hard enough. If you add to it doing something that you don't even like, you're doomed to fail and quit altogether. So while jump rope is incredible cardio, it's also an awesome skill builder. Other benefits include, it develops hand, eye, and foot coordination. It teaches you to be light on your feet. It improves speed and reaction time and increases endurance, agility, explosiveness, and finesse. It's a one-stop shop for building all-around athleticism and is a secret weapon used by many pro and Olympic athletes. So let me ask you this. Are you excited for your workouts? Something I often hear from jump rope beginners is that it does have a learning curve at first. Most things do. But as they developed the ability to simply jump consistently and for longer periods, every new win was exciting and they couldn't wait to get back to another jump rope session to see what they could accomplish next. Every extra jump, every new skill added was proof that they were getting better, not just at jump rope, but in better shape. This is something you just won't get on the treadmill. You can also make jump rope your own. You can keep it simple, jump rope dance to music, and add in as many skills and other exercises as you want to keep things constantly changing and testing your abilities. The only thing you need now is a rope. And this video will show you the best tips to get you crushing jump rope fast.